It has definitely been an interesting journey with many ups and downs, but through it all, the main reason that has kept me here is my passion for helping the families I work with. Years ago, when I joined this company, I started as a therapist, and this was such a vital role for my career in this field as it gave me a very deep understanding and hands-on experience with lots of different children and their unique sets of challenges. And what always intrigued me the most was the programming side of the role. I found it very exciting to watch my supervisors and consultants think outside the box and solve each issue that comes their way. And likewise now, as a supervisor myself, that's exactly what I get to do every day. Alongside my teams of dedicated therapists, we look at what challenges a child has and how we can use their strengths to their benefit and teach them in the way they learn best. What I love most about this job is that it's very fulfilling. Every day when I go home after a long, hectic day, it just feels good knowing that I've been able to make a difference in a family's life, even if it's just a little each day. A lot of the families I've worked with, they come to us shortly after their child has been diagnosed with ASD, and often they might still be in shock and are in such a loss as to what to do. So we get them to share with us their struggles, and then we come together during parent trainings to address what they need help with the most at that point in time. And at the same time, we also talk about the goals they have for their child. And through time, when the parents see the progress their child is able to make, both with our therapist and also with them at home, they begin to put their trust in us and feel more at ease and believe that things will be okay, and that's what gives me the biggest sense of satisfaction. There's so many memorable cases, but if I had to choose one, it would be a boy from Jakarta whom I have been working with for several years. I used to be his therapist, and now I'm still in his case as a supervisor. When he joined us, he was nonverbal, had very poor learning behaviors, and also didn't have that social connectedness with us. I remember at the start when we called his name, he wouldn't respond to us, and even when we were tickling him, he wouldn't really laugh and might push us away while looking at the transport toys he liked. Now fast forward a few years and he's in a mainstream school with an intrinsic desire to learn. If he didn't understand a lesson in school, he would have the curiosity to ask his shadow therapist, "What's the teacher talking about?" Or "How do you read that?" He also loves any socials with us now. He can even crack a joke with us sometimes and loves to see our reaction. Now he's also learning to have basic conversations with his therapist and his family. It's so nice to see how far he's come and have the opportunity to be a part of that journey.